Hey ladies, today I wanted to talk about a few fashion hacks and things that I cannot live without. Definitely need something to take off our pet hair or any kind of stuff over clothing. These ones are like a tape, like straps that you put here if you have like huge décolleté zones or whatever and you are afraid it's like gapping and all the stuff. It's like double size and you put it like there. So I got this recently, I didn't have it before, but I have had these problems and sometimes you want to look really the perfect you can for some like elegant events. Favorite discovery only a few years ago, and I wish that someone would have taught me about boob tapes. If you have like big natural bust, you need these. Now I can wear a lot more dresses than I did before. Let's be honest, now fashion brands create fashion for like silicone, and many of those things you cannot wear if you can see like a bra or anything like that. So these are just amazing discovery. The second one are these ones, which are like kind of similar idea. I haven't tried these ones yet. If you have, please let me know how they work. I'm a little bit more scared of these ones. Plus they are more like seen, I think, in the clothing. So I don't know, I haven't just tried, but I should try. Then for heels and shoes, I have left only these ones that you put like behind if it's like moving, your shoe's moving. But I have other gels that for softer surface and all the different things. I cannot live with these type of things as well. These are few, but I have some more. So if you want part 2, let me know and follow me.